Before wiring, disconnect the main power supply and verify that the equipment is de-energized. Locate the cable labels for motor 1 and motor 2. Follow the labels and the electrical diagram. Do not connect by color alone. Separate the conductors carefully. Keep the brown and blue conductors distinct and identify the green and yellow protective earth conductor. Route the motor 1 cable to its matching motor 1 terminals. Keep the printed label visible while you make the connection. Connect the motor 2 cable to the corresponding motor 2 terminals in the same way, checking each conductor before tightening. Attach the protective earth conductor only to the designated grounding point. Make sure every terminal is fully seated and secure. Perform a gentle pull test. No bare copper should remain exposed, and the cables must be clear of moving or pinch points. Replace all covers and guards, then restore power and test with a low-speed jog. If anything is abnormal, stop and switch off immediately.